Once a beacon of knowledge, Nalanda University stood as one of the most prestigious educational institutions in ancient India. It halls echoed with the footsteps of scholars from across the world who came to immerse themselves in diverse fields of study. However, this illustrious center of learning faced destruction due to foreign invasions, leading to centuries of dormancy. In a significant turn of events, the echoes of Nalanda's scholarly past are being rekindled. On June 19th, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the new campus of Nalanda University, symbolizing a revival of its 1600-year-old legacy. This modern resurrection aims to restore and celebrate the ancient university's historical importance while positioning it as a global hub for education once again. Between the 5th and 13th centuries, Nalanda University flourished as a world-renowned institution, learning immense admiration within India's education system and beyond. Its international reputation attracted students from China, Mongolia, Tibet, Korea, and other Asian countries, all eager to study on its esteemed campus. Known for its high standard of teaching, Nalanda was especially prominent as a center Ayurveda, Buddhism, mathematics, grammar, astronomy, Indian philosophy, and many other subjects were taught at Nalanda, the world's first residential university. The famous Indian mathematician Aryabhatta was a teacher here in the 6th century. The university's library, known as Dharma Ganj or the Mountain of Truth, was legendary. It housed an astounding collection of 9 million palm leaf manuscripts, making it one of the most famous libraries of its time. At the end of the 12th century, Turco-Afghan military general Bakhtiyar Khilji destroyed this great university and burnt its priceless library. Considering the fact that ancient Nalanda was a symbol of Asian unity and strength, now Nalanda International University is being established near the land where the remnants of old Nalanda lie. While inaugurating the new campus, the Prime Minister said that Nalanda embodies India's identity, respect, value, and mantra. Modi inaugurated Nalanda within 10 days of taking oath as Prime Minister for the third time. Central government is giving so much importance to this project. Nalanda University is located in Rajgir in Nalanda district of Bihar state. This is a project of special interest to the Ministry of External Affairs. The new campus has been developed with an investment of rupees 1,800 crores. The new campus consists of 2 academic blocks with 40 classrooms with a seating capacity of 1,900 students, 2 auditoriums with a seating capacity of 300 each, a student hostel, an international center, an amphitheater with a seating capacity of 2,000, a faculty club, and a sports complex.